Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add meta tags to Wix. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is you can actually head over and click on this pages and menu right here. Now from in there, you can see all of the site menu, which is the site pages. Now let's head over and add a meta tag to this home page. Let's just right click on this one. And then from in there, you can see the settings right here. So let's click on settings. Then this will open this page settings. So just expand this until you can see this advanced SEO. Now on this advanced SEO, you can see this robots meta tag as well as this additional tags right here. Now, what you can do is you can actually just choose what kind of meta tag you want to add. Like, for example, this no archive, no snippet, no follow, no index. Just click on this right here in order to check that out in here. Now, from in there, what you can do next is you can actually add in here a new tag as well. So click on this add new tag and you can paste in here your meta tag in HTML format. Then from in there, just click on apply right here. So just add tag or you have the option to choose a tag from here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.